rais wetu, tumekuwa tukikuheshimu hata we mwenyewe ukidhurumu sisi. Na ndio maana sisi hatujawahi enda pahali popote tunatukana wewe ama kuongea mabaya kuhusu wewe. The only thing we do is to tell you the truth. And therefore, Mr. President, ukisema tusikuulize maswali ya the high cost of living, ati sisi tunasaidiana na wewe kwa hiyo serikali, tunafaa tukwambie kwa siri. Rais, tunakuonea wapi kwa siri? Sisi hautusikizi. Wengine wetu hata ukiwa kwa mkutano ukituona unatoroka. How are we going to tell you ile mashida wa Kenya wa Murang'a na wa Kenya yote wanapitia? Uliona ni vyema mshikane na hiyo kitendawili. Na huyo ndio makamu wako wa rais.
We'll fight its way.
Good. Say something. I think.
So thank you. I really do not want to add much, but just to ask His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, that we know that he had and he still has the ability to stop this motion. Of course, I know that Parliament is independent, but of course, we do know that people listen to their party leaders. But one thing that my colleagues may not have said is that if should this motion go through, and I think I want to talk to ODM as a party, the party that we have co-opted into government, that the people of Kenya, if ODM members vote to impeach His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, then ODM led by Raila Amolo Odinga will never ever convince anybody that they were not brought into government for the single purpose of kicking out Rigathi Gachagua. We, especially the people from the mountain, will know and hold to it that the reason the broad-based government was formed is and was to kick out Rigathi Gachagua. And that is what we know. So I want to appeal to the ODM members of parliament, especially through their party leader Raila Amolo Odinga, to refrain from supporting this particular motion. Number two, we believe that any differences are conciliable. We have not seen anything that Rigathi Gachagua has done that William Ruto as deputy president did not do to Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta never ever attempted through the members of parliament to impeach his deputy William Samoei Ruto. So what we are saying is this is something that we do not take kindly, and we know that without the blessings of the president, it would not have gone through. It would not have been tabled. And so we are just appealing, if there are differences between the president and his deputy, let them seek reconciliation, especially like my colleagues, like we have said in the statement, through UDA party dispute resolution mechanism. Otherwise, divorcing Rigathi Gachagua is divorcing the whole mountain. And that is what we know as people from Murang'a. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you see the hand of the president?
No.
That's enough. That's enough.